I'm gonna show you how to create a template in ManyChat. So to get started, you have to log into ManyChat by visiting ManyChat.com, and from there you just have to sign into your account and choose your workplace. And then from there you just have to go to templates on the left side sidebar, just click on template and then click to create new template. And then once you're there, you have to build your flow. Design your chatbot flow like a regular automation. Add messages, buttons, images, or action depending on what your template should do. And then from there, you just have to add the template details. Give your template a name, description, and category. Select the platform it's built for example, Facebook, Messenger, or WhatsApp. So once you have done that, you can just go click save, then publish. Then after that, you are done. You just created a ManyChat template. So that's how to create a template in ManyChat.